Hello everyone, I'm Indu Ablash from Tiju's Academy, and today I'm excited to address a common concern among students in OET speaking. That is, how to skillfully initiate a conversation when dealing with the reluctant patient scenarios. Let's look at some examples. Scenario 1, patient name is Mr. Stephen and the scenario is patient refusing to provide medical history. Let's see how to start a conversation. Mr. Stephen, I understand that you may have the concerns about sharing your medical history. However, having a complete understanding of your medical background will help us to provide the best care for you. Your information is confidential and essential for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Next is scenario 2. Patient hesitant to undergo a procedure. Here, the patient name is Sarah, and once after the patient expressed a concern, we can start the conversation by saying, Ms. Sarah, I appreciate your apprehension about the procedure. It's natural to feel nervous. Let's take some time to discuss any questions or concerns you have, Sarah. I will explain the procedure or any worries you may have to ensure you feel comfortable and informed. Next comes the scenario 3. Patient reluctant to discuss symptoms. Here, the patient name is Mr. Peter, and as the patient is reluctant, let's start a conversation like, Mr. Peter, I understand it can be uncomfortable to talk about your symptoms. However, providing detailed information will help us determine the best course of your action for your health. Your well-being is a priority, and we are here to listen and support you through this process. Let's see scenario 4. Patient resistant to lifestyle changes. Let's start the conversation by addressing the patient first. Mrs. Lisa, making lifestyle changes can be challenging, and I understand your hesitation. Let's explore some small, manageable steps you could take to improve your health gradually. I'm here to support and guide you through this process, and together we can work towards your health goals. I hope this video is informative. Do follow Tiju's Academy. Urapana Vijaya.